How to add Bible app widgets on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add the Bible app widgets to your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we begin, make sure your iPhone is running the latest software. To check, simply open the Settings app and from there simply scroll down and tap on General. Now in the general section, simply tap on software update and here ensure that your iPhone is updated to the iOS 16 or above because widgets aren't available on iOS 15 or any older version than that. And once your iPhone is up to date, just follow these steps. Now go to your home screen where you want to add the Bible app widgets. Simply long press on the empty area of the screen until the app starts wiggling. Now tap on the edit button shown in the top left corner of the screen and after that the drop down menu will appear. From that menu simply tap on add widgets and once the pop-up menu appears simply tap on the search widget bar and simply search Bible in that. Now select it and once you have done that simply select the style of the widgets that you want in your home screen. And once you have selected it, simply tap on Add Widgets. And that's it. Now you have successfully added the Bible app widgets to your iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.